Breaking the sunshine, a porch saying welcome home. Paved drive green lawn, tucked where quiet roads roam. Step through the doorway, hardwood floors shine bright. Vaulted great room glowing in skylight. Gas fire waiting for a soft mountain night. Eating a Jameson, wood knows this one feels right. Granite in the kitchen, old cabinets in a row. Breakfast bar moments where the coffee starts to flow. Dining area open, every room an easy view. Main level laundry makes the day feel smooth. Two entry bedrooms, two full baths close by. Wainwright and Company Realtors brings a dream to life. Come on home to Roanoke where the Blue Ridge calls your name. One level living with a walkout bonus, comfort in every frame. Three bedrooms, three baths, and room for love to grow. A tucked away stumbling treasure, living easy, living glow. Eating a Jameson, we can show you where to start. Wainwright and Company Realtors, bringing home the heart. Primary room cozy, ceiling fast, spinning slow. Walk-in closet waiting, bath with the clean fresh flow. Office by the window for the work you love to do, or a guest room ready when the family comes through. Downstairs family room open wide to the patio air. Sliding glass sunshine, cozy movie nights down there. Blue bedroom calm, lower bath bright and neat. Patio chairs gather where the evening feels sweet. Garage for the groceries, shelves for every plan. Workshop space below for the dreaming with skilled hands. Built in 2005, care for all along. Eating a Jameson, wood here's the pride of this home song. Roof and skylights, 2025 shine. Newer HVA comfort, 2023 in line. Insulated OE windows help the seasons stay kind. Your shopping, dining, doctors, airport road you find. Minutes to I-581, I-81 too. Northside schools and Burlington, ready here for you. Come on home to Roanoke where the Blue Ridge calls your name. One level living with a walkout bonus, comfort in every frame. Three bedrooms, three baths, and room for love to grow. A tucked away stumbling treasure, living easy, living glow. Eating a Jameson, we can show you where to start. Wainwright and Company Realtors brings the key to your hand. In Roanoke, kind of convenience, this is where your dreams can land. From the front porch, welcome to the patio firelight. From the granite kitchen to the family room at night. Low maintenance living, loving, living, changing true. Rare stumbling chances.